Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send tokens from MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet and make sure it is unlocked. You will then see your asset list. Next, select the specific token you wish to send. For example, if you want to send Ether, click on Ether. After selecting your token, locate and click the Send button. This action will open a new transaction window, preparing you for the next steps in the process. Now let's input the transaction details. You will see a field for the recipient's address. It is crucial to paste the exact wallet address of the person or contract you are sending tokens to. Always double-check this address for accuracy. Then, enter the precise amount of tokens you wish to transfer. MetaMask will show your available balance. After inputting both the address and amount, take a moment to review everything carefully before moving forward. Before confirming, it's important to understand gas fees. MetaMask automatically estimates the necessary network gas fees for your transaction. These fees are paid to the network's validators or miners who process and secure your transfer. You'll see an estimated gas price and a total transaction cost. While MetaMask provides a default, you often have the option to adjust gas settings. Increasing gas can speed up the transaction, while decreasing it might save a small amount but could delay processing. Finally, it's time to confirm your transaction. A confirmation screen will appear, displaying all the details: the recipient, the amount, and the total gas fee. This is your last chance to review everything for accuracy. Once you are absolutely certain all information is correct, click the Confirm button. Your transaction will then be broadcast to the blockchain network. You can monitor its progress and status in the Activity tab within your MetaMask wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.